Hello everyone, welcome back to KiwiCan. My name's Chris from the Christchurch team, and today I'm going to show you how to make rope the traditional way, the way the Maoris used to make rope out of plants, and then how you can change that rope into some amazing nature jewelry like this necklace or these awesome bracelets. Alright, let's get to it.
So what you're going to need is some dry palm tree fronds. So you got to have a look around, maybe around your garden, maybe around your area there is something. See, these are all green, these are no good. See this? These are not good either. You don't want to be picking any of those. They definitely wouldn't work. So I'm actually really lucky. I live next door to somebody that's got a palm tree, and his palm frond conveniently fall into the garden. So I want to get these and another one. I've got loads here. I've got more than enough. So we're going to go on to the next thing. Because they're really dry, we need to get some moisture in them. So we need to fill up a bucket with some water. Once you have enough water in your bucket, put all the palm fronds in. Try not to break them. Just bend them around and leave them to sit in that water so that they can absorb some moisture, which makes them easier to twist into string, which is what we're going to do soon.
So I've left those fronds in here for about an hour, so it gives it plenty of time to absorb as much water as possible into its leaf. See that? So now we want to try and make string out of this, and you'll see if you get these and you pick them up that one side, this is quite thick. This is the thick end and this is the thin end. It's much looser here, and you can see that the threads, the sort of grain within the leaf is stuck together in these chunks. So you want to try and break that up. This is a really good example of how well it's stuck together. So to break that up, you can just put it between your hands. Just rub it. Rub it, rub it, rub it. See how it's starting to break up a little bit? So this is nice and soft. This is ideal. This is how you want it. You don't want it to be this thick. You want to break this up. So you pull these little threads off. Like so. Maybe you want to pull these off. And I don't want this end here. This is the thick end, so I can just break this off. No, I can't. It's too strong. Okay, this is quite soft. So now with this one long piece, I want to fold it in half here, so that I've got two main strands. I've got this top group and this bottom group. So you want to start this between your finger and your thumb, and you want to twist it away from you so that it twists up like this, and then pull it back. And then you've got this next group now. So you want to grab that again, twist it away from you, and then pull it back so it goes over the one that you just did. And you do the same again. Twist it away, pull it back towards you. Twist it away, pull it back towards you. Keep going, twist it away, pull it back. You just got to move your fingers down with it as you twist. So I've just been doing this for what, less than a minute now, and you see if I hold it that we have this nice string piece already. I'll show you from the other side so you can see what it should look like from your point of view. Okay, this is what it should look like from your point of view. You get your frond you've got, roll it between your finger and thumbs. So you can do it like this, or put it between your hands. Rub it between your hands. It will really loosen the fibers up within the frond. And once you've loosened it up enough, Get your frog, fold it in half. So you've got this end pinched here, and again, top half, bottom half. And then this is where you want to start to twist it. So, like I said earlier, you twist it away from you so that it's nice and twisted, and pull it back. Now you've got this one. And you twist it away, pull it back. And you've got to kind of move your left finger and thumb down as you twist to keep hold of it. So, twisting it away, pull it back. Twist it away, pull it back, and let's keep going. Do it all the way to the end, and you should end up with a nice piece of string just like this. So if you want, and if your piece of string is long enough, you can go ahead and you can wrap that around your wrist straight away, and you've made yourself a nice little bracelet. But what if you want to make this longer? What if this is not long enough and you've ran out of thong at the end? How do you make this longer? Well, I'll show you now. At the end of your original piece of string you just made, where it splits off into these two, you want to keep these two as they are, and then get your new piece of string, the bit that will be your new piece of string, and you want to fold that in half, just like we did before. And where you've folded it in half, you've got to put that in the little gap that you've just made, and that top piece from the original piece of string lines up with the new one, and you twist it just exactly as you did before and pull it back, and that bottom piece of frog from the old one is now matched with a new one. Twist it away and pull it back, and you just keep going. Do the exact same as you did earlier. Twist away, pull it back. Twist away, pull it back. And let's keep going. So you might find, depending on how thick your leaves were at the beginning, that there's a size difference. Now you can manage that yourselves if you pick the right size piece of grass, but don't worry if it's a little bit thicker or you've got a little bit of a bump in the middle. That might be just the way it is sometimes. If you've made one that's long enough, you might want to turn that into a necklace. You might want to put that right around your neck straight away. But what if you want to make a stronger piece? What if you've made this and you want it to be stronger so that you can't break it, or so that it's much harder to break? Well, I'll show you how to do that too. What you need to have done is to have created two nice long pieces of string like this. And at the end, if you want to stop the ends from coming undone, what I do is just tie a normal little knot in the end like that. That'll hold it close. Before you start to twine these two together, what you want to do is get the end where the little loop is and put a stick through it like this and through the other one. So when you twist these together, it will stop them from untwisting. Now all you need to do is pretty much exactly the same as you did before, except you've got to twist in the opposite direction. Because if I twist away with this, see it starts to unravel. So what I need to do this time is twist towards me and move it away. I got to do the same with the second bit. Twist it towards me, move it away. Twist it towards me, move it away. Towards, move it away. just got to keep going. I'll show you again from the other side. So, with the 2 pieces of rope like this, twisting it towards me, putting it behind the other piece of string. Twist it towards me, just gently this time. You don't need to over twist it. Twist it towards me, move it behind. Twist it towards me, move it behind. And that twisting in opposite directions makes it so that they stay entangled at this end. So with these end pieces, I don't want them to come undone. I would just tie them off any which way you want, really. So what you should have, hopefully, is a pretty strong piece of rope. If I pull this now, hopefully it shouldn't break. It's pretty strong. So if I've done that right, I should be able to hang off this. I should be able to put my entire weight on this piece of string and it won't break. So we're going to try that now. The moment of truth. I'm going to put this piece of rope through this loop, try and hang on it, and hopefully it won't break. My hands up in it, ready. Here we go. There you go. It's a pretty strong piece of rope. Now you can make all sorts out of this. I definitely do not recommend making a rope swing out of this. This rope is, like you saw, it's strong enough for me to hang off, but definitely not to swing off. If you tried to make a rope swing out of this, it would definitely break. So don't do anything silly like that with it. But it's really, really good if you're out camping, if you're out in the forest and you need to make some rope for a tent, or you just want to create some rope to tie something down, then this is a really good way to do it. And obviously making nature jewelry. Make yourself a beautiful necklace. You can keep going for as long as you want with this. You can make one piece of string and then add another piece of string and then add another piece of string and then tie those together to make an even thicker piece of string. But I'm going to leave it there with this nice little nature bracelet to go with my blue one, just like that. Why don't you guys have a go and see if you can make yourself some nice nature bracelets like this, or see if you can make yourself a really long one that you can turn into a necklace, just like this. Have fun trying, guys. Hope you get on well. Hope you have a great week. See you later. Bye.